Father and Dickie are watching the plumber fix a very important pipe, a water pipe. While he fixes it, all the water in Dickie's house is shut off. No water will come into the house until the pipe's fixed. Being without water makes a big difference to Dickie and his family. Dickie's mother can't wash clothes without water. And in the kitchen, Dickie's family needs water too. All these dirty dishes and pans. Dickie's mother can't wash them without water. Dickie's father needs water too. His hands are dirty. But he can't wash them without water. And clean hands help us to keep healthy. And now Dickie is thirsty. He wants a drink of water. But there isn't any water. No one knows when the pipe will be fixed. Dickie and Mother and Father will just have to wait. Brownie will have to wait too. You don't think about how important water is until you don't have it. Dickie's mother thinks she misses it most of all. She can't boil the potatoes or the eggs without water. Yes, she needs water for cooking, too. And look at Mother's plant. She can't water it. And plants need water to grow. Today, Dickie has begun to learn how important water is, especially at home. But there are many uses for water that Dickie has not thought of. Water in the toilet and the radiator helps us. Water in the toilet carries away wastes from our bodies and helps keep us healthy. Hot water goes through the radiator. Some radiators use hot water to do their work of giving off heat. Water is so important to homes everywhere that communities must make sure that there is enough water for the people who live in them. Some towns pump their water from wells that go deep into the ground. Some towns get their water from rivers. To make sure that there will be enough for the people to use, dams may be built across the river to collect great amounts of water. Places like this for storing water are called reservoirs. Some towns are near lakes and take water from the lakes for the people to use. But much of the water from wells, rivers, and lakes is not pure. It has to be made pure to protect the health of the people. Cities and towns purify water and make it good to drink or use for cooking. Then it is pumped through pipes to homes and schools and stores and every place where people need it. But water is important in other ways, too. Listen, what's that? Look, there it is. It's the fire engine. The fire engine reminds Dickie that water is important to firemen, too. Dickie's father explains how the firemen use water to help put out fires which destroy buildings and are dangerous to people. Great streams of water from the fire hoses cool things that are burning and put out the fire. Water is used in other ways, too. It turns into steam when very hot, and steam can be used to make locomotives go. Dickie thinks water is useful, but he wants to play. He can't. His wading pool is empty. We use water for play and fun. In summer, The public swimming pool in the park is filled with water, and Dickie and other children go swimming there. A swimming pool is lots of fun, but you can't swim without water. Water helps you have fun. Dickie's father enjoys fun with water, too. He often goes to a lake near their town to fish. Many fish which live in the lake are good to eat, and Dickie's father likes to catch them. The lake helps him have fun. A lake is a big body of water. Dickie's father reminds Dickie of other ways we use big bodies of water. Just as Dickie's toy boat floats in his wading pool, so do real boats float in the river that flows by the town in which Dickie lives. Boats carry people and things up and down the river. The river is like a highway for boats, and a river is a big body of flowing water. Ships and boats all over the world use water of lakes and seas and oceans as their highway for carrying people and things. Water helps people travel for pleasure or business. Big bodies of water are important to transportation. Big bodies of water are also important to people who work on fishing boats. They catch fish for a living. The fishermen on this boat pull in fish that have been caught in their nets. Waters of lakes and seas and rivers give us many kinds of food. Foods from crops that farmers raise need water too. Rain can bring the water that helps the crops grow. But rain and water can be harmful also. Water from rain can wash away good soil, and too much water can mean a flood. Floods sometimes destroy homes and other buildings and are dangerous. A flood is water out of control. Yes, water can be harmful. But we have seen how helpful it can be to us, too. Talking about water so much certainly makes you thirsty. But there won't be any water to drink until the water pipe is fixed. Here's the plumber now, and he's leaving. He must be through with his work. The pipe is fixed. Hurry, Dickie. Yes, Dickie's family has water again now. Water for drinking, water for cooking, water for brownie, water for the plant, water for washing clothes, water for washing hands, and water for dishes. Yes, even water to fill Dickie's wading pool. Yes, there is water again. Dickie and his family missed it. But now it's back, and Dickie is glad, for he knows how helpful and important water can be to everyone.